Hello friends! Today we will prepare a delicious tandoori fish curry. First of all, we need to mix crushed garlic, ginger, nutmeg, a cinnamon stick, cloves, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, pepper, cardamom, salt, red chili powder, and turmeric powder. These juicy spices need to be grounded for at least 5 minutes. Moving on to our fish. First, we will cut it in pieces. And cover it with oil. Then, adding our spices from the blender. Let them thoroughly soak the fish from all sides. To do this, leave it for a few minutes. And in the meantime, I'm going to chop some garlic. The smaller, the better. Next comes the onion, then ginger. Great! Let's fry our fish. To do this, I'll take a saucepan, pour more oil, and send a couple of pieces into it. It remains to wait a little until they are completely fried. Hooray! We can get our fish out! Vegetables are next in line. To make an awesome dressing, let's add tomato sauce and bring it to a boil. Now it's time for spices. Chili pepper, salt, turmeric, and some water. This will be incredibly delicious. I've also added coriander, some masala powder, tandoori masala, yogurt, dried fenugreek, green chili, and put the fish in this juicy sauce for 20 minutes. Time is up. It's time to remove the pan, and let's find out what happened. Ta-da! I present to your attention a cool fish dish. It's like a 5-star restaurant. Tandoori fish curry. It's divine. I really like it. Thank you, friends. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. You'll find a lot of awesome recipes from your favorite dishes. Join us and cook with us. See you later. Bye.